Welcome to Young Learners Curriculum. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Made, created, or built something. He made a beautiful painting in art class. Follow, to move behind someone or something. They followed him to the cafeteria. Led, guided someone somewhere. He led him deep into the forest. Appeared, suddenly came into view. The rabbit appeared on the top of the magician's hat. Found, to discover something by chance. He found his grandfather's missing car. Thank you for joining us and learning more English vocabulary. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.